Hey there, welcome back to Hidden Crown's channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about all the details of our crown topper extension. This extension is so amazing. It is so great on so many levels for so many different options. And the only downfall to this product is it's so intimidating to a lot of you. So I just wanted to go over a few details on it and kind of mention a few tips and tricks on wearing it properly so that you're a little more at ease when purchasing. This is my personal crown topper, and this is color number 882. Our crown toppers come in only 16-inch length. They are 85 grams of hair volume, and they are on a monofilament base. They are not a silk-based topper. As you can see, it comes with 4 clips. There is one on each side, and the topper can be worn horizontally or it can be worn vertically. This here is basically going off of preference. I prefer to wear mine horizontally because of my head shape. I prefer to have more volume on the sides of my head opposed to more volume vertically in the back center of my head. So the base measures 5.5 inches by 6.5 inches. So vertically is the longer measurement on the base, and then horizontally it's less. So it's about 1 inch difference in the diameter, so it's not perfectly round. So the crown topper extension is actually designed to create and provide instant natural volume to the top and crown of your head. The extension design is not meant to provide volume in the ends. So if you are someone who is looking for a longer, fuller look, but you also need the coverage on the top of your head, we suggest pairing our crown topper with one of our other products, such as our Halo style extension or one of our crown clip-in extension sets. The crown topper is not like a wig. Another great option that you can do with your crown topper is you can have bangs custom trimmed into it. We actually have a video showing me cutting bangs into one of my crown toppers, and it's a lot of fun and it's such a great option. You can wear your crown topper at the very hairline if needed. You can wear it a few inches back from the hairline, or you can wear it a little bit further back to just provide volume to the crown of the head if needed. Now, if you're someone with hair loss from a medical condition, or you have lost hair completely and need a different way of applying it, it's very, very easy to remove the clips or a clip if needed, and you can use temporary wig tape or wig glue to apply it to your forehead in the front. I do feel that if you get your hair dyed or highlighted in any way, I do feel that the rooting is more natural looking than per se having it non-rooted. Majority of people have a natural shadow in their rooting due to the way light hits our hair and due to the density of your hair volume. Naturally, there's a shadow there for majority of those people. But if you do not get your hair colored and your rooting is not any different, then you would choose non-rooted. Now, if you felt like the non-rooted was not natural looking, even though you have no rooting in your natural color or in your hair color at all, what I would recommend is doing a very, very light base color in the rooting, just to give a very slight natural shadow. That's something that I recommend to those that struggle with how it looks non-rooted. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to email us at accounts@hiddencrown.com and we'd be happy to assist you further. And also make sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms down below to stay in the know on everything Hidden Crown, and make sure to check out these videos that relate to the video you just watched.